Hi guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Before I teach you how to make my special recipe for today, I want to show you that I made a teriyaki marinade for chicken. So it's 0 smart points. I only have one piece left. Everybody loved it, including myself. So you'll see that recipe on my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make my special chocolate chip, delicious, oh my God, shortbread cookies, all right? So easy, and of course, you know, everything in moderation. This becomes a lifestyle. I love giving these cookies out to friends and family as a present. They make amazing gifts when you put them in cute cellophane, wrap them up for a party, or for a special occasion, or people are coming over, or just for yourself, you know, everything you can have, all right? Just don't overindulge. Okay, so what are you gonna need to do? Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Don't leave this on your stove on top, okay? Because you don't want it to get hot. All right, that's one of my tips. I'm using my mix master because I want the butter and sugar to whip up nicely. Now I'm using 1 cup of unsalted room temperature butter, okay? And I'm just gonna add that. All right, I'm gonna use a tablespoon of vanilla and a 1/2 cup of sugar, okay? Really easy, only a few ingredients, and I'm just going to put that on and just let it mix for a few minutes. Now, I have measured out 1.75 cups of all-purpose flour, okay? And we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, just wanna make sure that it's in there. All right, so yeah, it's 1/2 teaspoon. I want to make sure that it's right. So this is already, wow, this is really quick. It's really, really easy. It's already basically whipped. I'm just going to take the sides and just show you that it's really already whipped. Okay, it doesn't take long. All right, I'm just going to put it back down. Just whip it again a little bit more. And I'm just gonna mix that in, the baking powder, with the 1.75 cups of flour, okay? And the only other ingredient is actually a little bit of salt. That's why I have it here. Any kind, just a pinch, and a cup of chocolate chips. And I like milk chocolate, all right? You can use whatever you like. And then we're just going to add the flour in. Okay, you can see it's not on a really high speed, like a medium speed. And it's just all gonna incorporate. What I love about this is there's only a few ingredients, and it honestly just takes a few minutes to actually make. So I'm just gonna turn it up a bit and then add my chocolate chips. Look how fast, okay? Really, really easy. I'm just letting it all blend. And I want it to just get to a certain consistency. You'll know because all the dough forms together, and of course I'm gonna show you. All right. All right, I'm just gonna stop it and bring this up, and you'll be able to see that it's all mixed and it's a good consistency to be able to form your cookies. So I'm just going to put this over here. My mix master is heavy, and then we'll take down, I'm just going to wipe this off, my new table. All right. So we'll take the cookie sheet, and then all you're gonna do is, okay, so actually I'm gonna just bring this up so you can see that the cookie dough is nice and soft and you're able to form your cookies. All right, so makes, like I said, about 24 cookies. All right, and I'm just gonna put them on. You can take your time and make them look really pretty. And they are, I'm telling you, they just melt in your mouth, okay? And you just press it down a little bit. Now, we're gonna bake them probably for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it sometimes takes a little longer, but you do, and I'm gonna tell you, you do need to watch them, okay? Because you don't want them too dark. You want them just a nice light brown on the bottom, all right? And then you're going to keep them let them cool completely. And I wouldn't eat them hot. They're way, way better when they're cooled off. And you're gonna be tempted to just eat the batter because, you know, there's nothing like cookie dough. But right now, I'm not eating, I'm fasting. So I'm not gonna try any. I've had enough, trust me. And you can keep them in your freezer. You can keep them in your fridge, all right? And honestly, you're gonna I'm telling you, you're gonna tell me that you love this recipe. Well, I hope you will. And I'm just doing this very quickly. I usually take my time. So, and spread them out, okay? That's what I like to do. And I like to take my spatula because I want to make sure that I get all the goodness, right? I don't like to waste it. And you can make them as big or as small. I don't like them too small. I like them a nice size. And if you steal a few chocolate chips from another one, you can do that. And you just press them down just a little bit, not too much. Okay, and look at that. Okay, you have these amazing cookies. And then I'm gonna put them in the oven very soon. And dun da da da, the magic of making lots, which I've been making for different birthday parties that I've gone to. And I just wanna show you, when you take them, you wanna just see that they're lightly brown and they're still nice and light on the top. Okay, so this is all that's left in my house, people, because my family, like I said, they love these cookies. And so we just have a few left. I gave some as presents. So anyways, I hope you love these cookies. Keep an eye on them. Remember, all my ingredients and directions are underneath each video. I hope you share my channel with others. You know it's free. And my Instagram is www.Risa's Tips for even more motivation and inspiration. My Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. Tell me what you think. Please comment, please like, all right? And take care. I love you guys. Bye for now. Take care.